Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's VMware Workstation tutorial, I will show you how to remove encryption from a virtual machine. Let's begin. First, open VMware Workstation. From the left side panel, select the virtual machine from which you want to remove encryption. Once the virtual machine is selected, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. The Virtual Machine Settings window will open. Now switch to the Options tab. From the list on the left side, click on Access Control. Here you will see the encryption settings for the virtual machine. In some cases, you may notice that the Remove button is disabled or unavailable. This usually happens because the virtual machine contains a Trusted Platform Module, also known as TPM. Before we can remove the encryption, we first need to remove the TPM device. To do that, switch back to the Hardware tab. In the Hardware device list, locate and select Trusted Platform Module. After selecting it, click the Remove button. VMware will remove the TPM device from the virtual machine configuration. Once the TPM has been removed, go back to the Options tab. Again, select Access Control from the left side menu. This time, you should notice that the Remove Encryption button is enabled. Click on Remove Encryption. VMware will now ask for the encryption password that was created when the virtual machine was originally configured. Enter the correct password and click OK. After the password is verified, click the Remove Encryption button to start the process. Depending on the size and configuration of the virtual machine, the decryption process may take a few moments to complete. Please wait while VMware removes the encryption. Once the process finishes, the virtual machine will no longer be encrypted. And that's it. You have successfully removed encryption from your VMware virtual machine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.